Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Observability and Monitoring for LLMs. Keeping an eye on your AI in the wild. Imagine you build a fantastic AI, like a super smart robot that can talk. You let it out into the world for people to use. What if it starts saying weird things? Or becomes slow? Or just stops working? That's where observability and monitoring come in. It's like being a doctor for your AI, giving it regular checkups and watching for any signs of trouble so you can fix it fast for developers. This means building systems to understand and react to your AI's behavior in real time. When we talk about an LLM, that's a large language model, like ChatGPT. In the wild, we mean it's no longer just a cool project on your computer. It's live. Real users are interacting with it, asking questions, giving commands, and using it for all sorts of unpredictable things. It's like letting a trained pet out into a big park. You want to make sure it's safe, happy, and behaving as expected, even when you're not directly watching it all the time. As a developer, your code is now interacting with countless user inputs and external systems. Why can't we just build it and forget it? Think about that pet in the park. What if it gets lost? What if it starts chewing on something it shouldn't? For an LLM, bad behavior could mean wrong answers, giving incorrect or nonsensical information, often called hallucinations, slow responses, users get frustrated waiting, costly mistakes, using too much computing power, costing you money, bias or toxic outputs, saying something offensive or unfair, security risks, exposing sensitive information. As developers, we need to catch these issues before they become big problems for your users or your wallet. Observability is all about understanding what's happening inside your AI system without stopping it. One key part is metrics. Think of metrics as your AI's vital signs. Heart rate, how fast is it responding to user questions? E.g., response time. Temperature, how much computing power is it using? E.g., CPU, GPU usage. Blood pressure, how many people are talking to it right now? E.g., number of requests. Oxygen saturation, how often is it giving good answers versus bad ones? E.g., success rate, error rate. As a developer, you'll set up tools to automatically collect these numbers, giving you a real-time pulse of your AI's health. Another crucial part of observability is logs. If metrics are the vital signs, logs are like your AI's detailed diary entries. Every time something important happens, a user asks a question, the AI generates a response. An error occurs, the system writes it down with a timestamp. User asked, tell me a joke. AI generated. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Single quote, error. Could not access external knowledge base. As a developer, when something goes wrong, you'll dive into these logs to retrace the steps, understand the sequence of events, and pinpoint exactly where and why the problem occurred in your code. Imagine your AI isn't just one big brain, but a series of smaller steps or components working together to answer a complex question. Traces help you follow a single request as it flows through all these different parts of your system. It's like having a GPS tracker for each individual thought or request your AI processes. Request comes in to goes to component A to component A talks to component B to component B gets data to component C processes data to final response sent. Traces show you how long each step took and where bottlenecks might be, helping you optimize complex AI systems by visualizing the entire journey of a user's prompt to the AI's response. Observability is collecting the data. Monitoring is actively watching that data and acting on it. It's like setting up a security system with cameras and alarms for your AI. Dashboards. Asterisk visual screens that display all your metrics. Vital signs. In an easy-to-understand way. Like a control panel for your AI. Built from the data you collect. Alerts. Asterisk rules you set up. For example, if response time goes above 5 seconds for more than a minute, send me a text message. Or, if the error rate jumps above 10%, sound an alarm. Single quote. As a developer, you use monitoring to proactively catch problems. Get notified immediately when things go south, and ensure your AI is always performing its best. So, how do developers actually do all this? We use specialized tools and practices. There are many services and libraries, like Prometheus, Grafana, OpenTelemetry, LangChain callbacks, various logging frameworks that help automate the collection of metrics, logs, and traces, and build dashboards and alerts. The goal isn't just to see problems, but to learn from them. By continuously observing and monitoring, we make our LLMs more robust, reliable, and trustworthy, improving them over time based on real-world usage and user feedback. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.